Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set our face. To do it you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box and type here 3 and 5, then click on this box and type here 2, then click on the create. After set up the page you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and drag curve, then you have to click on here and drag curve again. After that you have to press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and drag curve again, then we have to click on here and drag curve again, then click on here and drag curve again. Then select the move tool. After that you have to select this, then you have to click on the fill, then select this color, then select the stroke, then disable the stroke, then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then select this, then click on the stroke again, then select the black color, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this, then press and hold Shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then click on the fill, then select this color from here. Then you have to click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then go to the layer panel, then click on here, then select this and drag this under this layer. Then you have to select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this. Then you have to go to the properties, then click on the stroke, then select the white color. Then you have to click on here, then increase the size of the stroke. Then you have to select this. Then you have to click on here. Then drag this in here, then select the move tool. Then you have to select this and drag this in here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select all layers, then drag these layers in here. After that you have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and drag curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and drag curve again. Then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this, then rotate this, then drag this in here, then you have to rotate this again. Then you have to select these layers, then you go to the layer panel, then lock these layers. Then you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then press and hold the Shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here. After that you have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and drag curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and drag curve again, then you have to click on here and drag curve again. Then select the move tool, then select this, then drag this in here, then select this and press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this, then you have to select this, then click on the properties, then click on the fill, then select the white color, then select the move tool. After that you have to unlock all layers, then you have to select this layer, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then you have to select this, then go to the properties, then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on the fill again, then you have to select this color, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to select this layer, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then select the move tool. After that you have to select this layers and drag these layers in here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, Then you have to select this and increase the size of this. After that, you have to click on the file, then click on export, then click on the export as. Then select the location, then type the logo name. Then you have to select PNG format, then click on export. Then select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. After that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo. So I am opening the logo from my PC. After opening the logo, we have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening the mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the logo, then drag this logo in here. Then set this in here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is for you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.